Hi all, welcome to our Magento 2 tutorial series. In today's video, we'll be exploring how to configure related products, upsell products and cross-sell products. These features are essential for enhancing the customer shopping experience and boosting sales by offering additional products that customer might be interested in. Let's get started. Before we dive into the configurations, let's understand what these terms mean. Related products. Related products are items that complement the product the customer is currently viewing. For example, if a customer is looking at a camera, related products might include memory cards, camera bags, and tripods. Upsell products are items that are similar to the product being viewed but offer higher quality, more features, or a higher price. For instance, if a customer is looking at a smartphone and an upsell product could be a newer model of the same brand. Cross-sell products are items suggested on the shopping cart page based on what the customer has added to their cart. These are often complementary products like suggesting batteries for a toy in the cart. Now that we have a clear understanding, let's move on to configuring these products in Magento 2. Let's start with related products. Log into your Magento 2 admin panel. In the Magento admin panel, navigate to Catalog menu, Products. Find the product you want to edit and click on it. For example, let's select a specific product like digital camera. Scroll down to the related products, upsells and cross-sells section. Click on Add Related Products. A new window will pop up. Here, you can search and select products that you want to set as related products to the chosen product. For example, let's select camera bag, memory card. Once you have selected the products, click Add Selected Products button. The related products are now linked to the main product. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. And that's how you configure related products. These will now appear on the product page under the related product section. Next, let's configure upsell products. Let's select the same product. Scroll down to the related products, upsells and cross-sells section. Click on Add Upsell Products. A new window will pop up. Search and select the products that you want to set as upsell products. For example, I'm selecting a newer model of the same digital camera brand. Click Add Selected Products. The upsell products are now linked to the main product. Click Save to apply the changes. Upsell products will now appear on the product page under the You May Also Like or We Recommend sections, encouraging the customers to consider higher end options. Next, we'll configure cross-sell products. Go to Catalog Products in the Magento 2 admin panel. Select the product you want to edit. For this example, we'll choose a toy. Scroll down to the related products, upsells and cross-sell section. Click on Add Cross-sell Products. A new window will pop up. Search and select products that you want to set as a cross-sell products. For example, let's select batteries and toy accessories. Click Add Selected Products. The cross-sell products are now linked to the main product. Click Save to apply the changes. Cross-sell products will appear on the shopping cart page under the You May Also Be Interested in section, encouraging customers to add more items to their cart. Today, we have covered how to configure related products, upsell products and cross-sell products in Magento 2. These features are vital for enhancing the customer experience and increasing sales by suggesting additional relevant products. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in the next video.